Hey everyone, my name's Will, and you're watching Gizmo's Quick Tips. Don't forget to check out our channel for more tech help. Alright guys, so here we are with how to turn on and off your iPhone flashlight. So your iPhone flashlight is the same thing as using your flash when you take a photo at night. This little white dot here is your flash. So to access the flashlight on your iPhone, you'll need to, on older iPhones with the home button, pull up, and that brings up your control center. On newer iPhones without the home button, you'll have to pull down from the right. And we talk about this in our how to add widgets to your control center page. And so after this, you'll see this little icon appear that says, it looks like a flashlight. If you click that, as you can see here through the reflection of the desk, your flashlight's now on. Now I won't flip it over so you all don't get hit by this bright light, but you have this flashlight here now that you can use. And if you just click it again, it turns off. Now, if you hold down on it, there's actually 4 levels of flashlight. So it goes from lowest to brightest and then completely off. But if you just want it on and off easily, all you have to do is click this, turn it on, click this, turn it off. And let's say you wanted to leave it on and check something on your phone, you can easily do that. And then when you're done, you just flip up on your control center, hit that, and turn it back off. Hope you all enjoyed that quick tech tip. Don't forget to like the video below and subscribe to the channel for more quick tips. Be sure to post any tech questions you have in the comments below. Also, check us out at www.neighborhoodnerds.com or on our Facebook and Twitter in the description. See you guys next time.